I love it. And so a lot of people were thinking for short content, you had to only post short videos on TikTok, on Instagram, on Twitter, and short form video platforms, even Reddit for that matter. But now you can post short videos to YouTube and actually potentially get some traction from it. So if you guys have insane clips from your live streams, if you have really hilarious videos that you want to make, just a quick joke that comes to mind, there is now an opportunity to use shorts on YouTube to potentially grow, because you will be ahead of the curve of everyone else who has yet to adopt short content. If you can get in and do something early on a platform before everybody else figures it out, then you could potentially benefit from it. And if you could pull up Mr. Beast as an example, he's got a shorts channel right now that is doing extremely well. Go ahead and walk us through this channel and what he's doing from what you can see at a glance here, and tell us about the results he's getting, because it's pretty remarkable.
Yeah, I mean, he's doing all of the things right. So he's got great titles, thumbnails that maximize that click-through rate. So you're really looking for clicks. Like, I put fireworks in a car, and you can see what kind of what it looks like. He even teases kind of what happens. 2.6 million views. This video is 23 seconds long. So I imagine the audience retention on it is great. Hell, you can probably even get a user to watch this multiple times. So clearly he's taking the exact same strategy and just going crazy with it. Almost all of his videos are less than a minute long. Many of them even less than 30 seconds long, especially his best ones. Some of them even
vertical format. Look at these, some of these dudes. Some of these are vertical format. A lot of people be like, this is garbage content for YouTube. He's recording content vertical on his phone and uploading it to this channel. And it's 8 seconds long, 16 seconds long, 10 seconds long, and they are getting millions of views. And I don't think that they're getting millions of views just because it's Mr. Beast. I think they're getting millions of views because it's good content.
Yeah, and notice quality is not a factor in this at all. It's not a factor for him in the algorithm. Really, it's what is in the content and how he's teasing or leading people into the content. Like, this is funny, I promise. And the preview tells you something about, like, his channel is in a sync. I have no idea what this is going to be. That's exactly the point, so that you can click. He says, this is funny, I promise. So getting people to click, and not disingenuously, you want to deliver on it. It's not full 100% clickbait. It's that gray area in between where you are baiting users in, but you're actually delivering on some sort of value after you're doing so. So then you maximize that click-through rate, and then that low view count, or the low duration, so you can have a really, really high audience retention. And we can see he's got 3.48 million subscribers. Let's check I didn't look at his numbers really quick. He's spiking recently, and he's going up and down. You can see likely some of his videos are getting massive traction in the algorithm, and then if he stops posting, maybe they go back down. But recently he's skyrocketing up to almost 5 million views gained in like this one day.
Posting 4 videos in the last 30 days. Mr. Beast, just with short videos, 47 million views. So if you guys ever needed confirmation that short videos can get traction on a channel from scratch, here is confirmation of what the potential is if you make very, very entertaining short video content. So for those of you, the 1% of you guys that are watching right now that actually take action on what we say, this is your chance to potentially grow your channel doing something different. This is what the smart people on YouTube are doing. The people that are really growing and trying to break out and do something unique, they go after these features, they go after these opportunities early. Maybe it works out, maybe it doesn't. But by them taking a risk, by them trying to do something unique, by them releasing content in a different way than everyone else, they will be, these sorts of people that lead the pack end up growing on YouTube, on Twitch, etc. When we were early streamers on Twitch, when we were some of the earliest people to get in this space, when we started going full-time doing all this stuff 8-9 years ago, we were early to social media. We were early to the creator space. We were in this space when everybody thought it was stupid and they thought it wouldn't work and they thought Twitter was a joke. We got in early on this, and now here we are. We're able to do this full-time because we took a risk and we did something different with our careers that a lot of other people thought was stupid. This wasn't a real job, etc. We did something different than other people with our careers, and we got the benefit from that. And so we're showing you things like these shorts as another example of people doing something different than the rest of the people in their space. than the rest of the people in the market, than everyone else around them. Where there's unproven success, whenever you take those risks and you do something different than other people, that's when you actually have a chance to break out and to make something big happen. A lot of the time on this podcast, we just tell you about tried and true strategies that we're doing that we think will definitely work. But sometimes, like in this episode, we will show you something that could go huge. That is a high risk, high reward opportunity that you guys could potentially benefit from. This is one of those opportunities. Are you gonna pass it by? We've gone after this stuff time and time again, and a lot of the time it doesn't work out, but sometimes it does. Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.